Hello students, today we'll start with the next exercise, that is practice set 3.3 of the polynomial, that is chapter 3. Okay, we need to divide this polynomial by m minus 5 using synthetic division and linear division. Okay, first I will teach you how to do linear division because that is bit difficult. Then synthetic division is very easy. Okay, you will understand in the very first step. But first we need to understand what is linear division. To divide the polynomial by linear division, first write the dividend, or you can write the divisor first. Divisor is m minus 5. Okay, and dividend is 2m square minus 3m plus 10. So each and every term of the dividend you need to express it in the linear form, that is m minus 5. Let's see how to do it. Okay, first of all I write this 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Okay, so we need to express this first in m minus 5 form. Just see this m. Okay, to get m over here, only first element. To get m over here, I will take common 2m. Okay, when I will take common 2m, I will get m which is needed, but we want this m minus 5, so I will write m minus 5. Though I am getting only m, I am just adding m minus 5 with it. Okay, because it is a divisor. Now after adding minus 5, okay, as this was given, क्या ये दिया था? No, it was not given. I have added it. So to balance it, see if I am adding minus 10 anywhere or if I am adding plus 10 anywhere, so I need to balance it with minus 10 so that the quotient does not get changed. Okay, so minus 10 plus 10 will get cancelled. So when I will open the bracket, 2m into m, 2m square, which was already present, but 2m into 5, that is minus 10m. Was minus 10m present in the question? No. So 2m into minus 5 is minus 10m, and to balance that I will add plus 10. Okay, just for your understanding, I am writing 2m square minus 10m. Okay, this extra part I am getting it to eliminate this part minus 10m. I am just adding plus 10m. Okay, so the rest of the part will be as it is, minus 3m plus 10. Okay, this part will be as it is till the end. So 2m m minus 5 plus 10m minus 3m, they are like terms, so 7m plus 10. Okay, so 2m m minus 5 as it is. Now I want m over here again, so I will take 7 common. So what is remaining inside m? But I will add minus 5 because I want that divisor part. So 7 into m, 7m, and 7 5s are minus 35. To balance that minus 35, I will add plus 35 to it, plus 10 as it is. Okay, so we have 2m m minus 5 plus 7 m minus 5 plus 45. Now we cannot take anything common. So now we'll see this term. Okay, we can take common as m minus 5. M minus 5. What is remaining inside? 2m plus 7 plus 45. Okay, so divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, so we can say that the quotient is 2m plus 7 and the remainder is 45. Okay, so this was the linear division for the first one. Now we will do the synthetic division. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll solve all the sums first by linear division method, and then the remaining then again all the sums by synthetic division. Okay, so we'll do the next sum using linear division. Okay, now we are solving the next sum, okay, by linear division method, and all the sums of the synthetic division method I will do it together, okay, as I am doing of the linear division. Now we have this the divisor x plus 2, okay, and the dividend x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square. This is going to be a very interesting sum. Okay, just pay attention properly. So I will write this dividend as x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now I need to express this in the form of x plus 2. Okay, first of all I need to get x. So to get x I will take x cube common. Okay, in this term we will take x cube common. When I am taking x cube common, I will have x inside. X cube into x is x raised to 4. So x plus 2. This is the extra 2 plus 2 which is also divisor. So when I will open the bracket, x cube into x, x raised to 4. But x cube into 2 is 2x cube. Okay. So 2x cube was extra. To balance it, I will add minus 2x cube. Okay. And the remaining part which was there in the question, that will be as it is. Okay. So if anything it's getting added, yes, this is directly getting cancelled. Okay. What is remaining? X cube plus x plus 2 plus 3x square, and we have 4x plus 5. Okay. Now again I will take 3x common so that I can get x. So I will get x but plus 2 with it. So 3x into 2 is plus 6x. To balance it, I will add minus 6x plus 4x plus 5 as it is. Okay. So x cube, x plus 2 plus 3x, x plus 2 minus 2x plus 5. Okay. So x cube, x plus 2 plus 3x, x plus 2. Now I want to get x, so I will take minus 2 common. Okay, if I am taking minus 2 common, I will get x and plus 2, that I need to write as it is a divisor, plus 2, 2 to the minus 4. So to balance that minus 4, I will add plus 4 to it, plus 5 as it is. Okay, so x cube, x plus 2, 3x, x plus 2 minus 2, x plus 2 plus 9. Okay, so I will take x plus 2 common. So what is remaining? X plus 2 was the divisor. So what is the question? X cube plus 3x minus 2, and the last part will be the remainder. Okay, so divide dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, so you can say that the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2 and the remainder is 9. Okay. Okay, so in the third question we have the divisor as y minus 6 and we have the dividend y cube minus 216. Okay, so we will write this dividend in terms of the linear part, that is the divisor y minus 6. Okay, to get y over here, I will take y square common. So what is remaining inside? Y. Okay, but I will write this. I need to write this in form of y minus 6. Okay, so I am writing minus 6 extra. So y square into y cube, that is okay. But y square into 6 is minus 6x minus 6y square, and to balance that minus 6y square, I will write plus 6y square minus 216 as it is. Okay, so y square as it is, y minus 6 as it is. Okay, now we have 6y square. I want y. So I will take 6y common. So what is remaining inside? Y. Okay, and I will write this minus 6. So 6y into y is 6y square, but 6y into 6 is minus 36y, and to balance that I will add plus 36y minus 216 as it is. Okay, now y square, y minus 6 plus 6y, y minus 6 plus, now I will take 36 common. Okay, so what is remaining inside? Y minus 6, the same bracket. Okay, y minus 6. Just I am taking 36 common, so what is remaining? Y, and minus 6 is extra. So 36 into y is 36y. 36 into 6 is minus 216. To balance that minus 216, I will add plus 216, and this minus 216 as it is. It was a question. Okay, or the above part of the remaining. So plus 216 minus 216 gets cancelled. There is no remainder remaining. So when I will take this y minus 6 common from every part, I will have y square plus 6y plus 36. So this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and remainder is 0. Nothing is there in 0. The quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36, and the remainder is 0. Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the fourth one. Okay, so the divisor is x plus 3, and the dividend 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 3. I will write first minus 2x square and then 4x. Okay, standard form. X raised to 4, raised to 3, raised to 2, then 1. Okay, so I will write this dividend in the form of x plus 3. So to get x over here, I will take 2x raised to 3 common. So I will have x, okay, and this plus 3 extra. We will balance this plus 3. 2x cube into 3, 6x cube. Plus 6x cube will be balanced by minus 6x cube, and the remaining part as it is plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x. Okay, so this part will be as it is, and this can be solved. Minus 6x cube plus 3x cube is minus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x. Okay, so this part is as it is again. To get x over here, I will take minus 3x square common. So what is remaining? X plus 3. That was the divisor. Now to balance it, minus 3x square into x minus 3x cube. That is correct. 3 3s are minus 9x square will be balanced by plus 9x square. The remaining part as it is. Okay, so 2x cube, x plus 3, 3x square, x plus 3 plus 7x square plus 4x. Okay, so 2x cube, x plus 3 minus 3x square, x plus 3. Now, if I want x over here, I can take 7x common, so I will have x plus 3. Okay, as I need to write this divisor always. So 7x into x is 7x square, and 7 3s are 21. Plus 21 will be balanced by minus 21x. Okay, plus 4. So 2x cube as it is, x plus 3 minus 3x square, x plus 3 plus 7x, x plus 3 okay. Now To balance this minus 21, okay, I can take minus 21 common, so that I will get x plus 3. Okay, now 21 threes are is 63. Minus 63 will be balanced by plus 63 plus 4. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake from my side. See, 7 threes are 21x plus 21x is adjusted by minus 21x, and this is not 4, this is 4x. Okay, so I will just write it again. So 2x cube x plus 3 minus 3x square x plus 3 plus 7x x plus 3, and this will be minus 17x. Okay, so 2x cube x plus 3 minus 3x square x plus 3 plus 7x x plus 3, and we will take minus 17 common, so we have x plus 3. 17 into x, 17 minus 17x, 17 3 is minus 51, and minus 51 will be balanced by plus 15. Okay, and there is nothing we can take common now, so we will just, means nothing we can divide it with x plus 3. So taking x plus 3 common, I will have 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 plus 51. Okay, so you can say that this is the quotient minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17, and the remainder is 51. Okay. Okay, now we'll start with the fifth one. So again we have divisor as x plus 4, and the dividend x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 8. Okay, so we want x, so we will take x cube common, so we will have x plus 4. Okay, and the rest of the things as it is, but x cube into x, x raised to 4, x cube into 4, 4x cube. To balance that 4x cube, I will write minus 4x cube. Now as it is, now this part as it is. Okay, so x cube x plus 4. Okay, now to get x over here, I will take minus 4x square common. Okay, so again I will have x 4x into 4x square into x minus 4x cube, and we will write this x plus 4. Okay, this divisor we will write it. So 4x square into x, 4x cube, minus 4 into 4, 4 for the 16, minus 16 will be balanced by plus 16x square. Okay, and this thing as it is, minus 3x square minus 8. So x cube x plus 4, 4x square x plus 4, this much part is as it is. 16x square minus 3x square is 13x square minus 8. Okay, x cube x plus 4 minus 4x square x plus 4. Now to get x, I will take 13x common, so I will have x over here. Okay, and I will write x plus 4, so 13x into x, 13x square, 13 4s are is 52, 52x, so I will balance it by minus 52x minus 8. Okay, so x cube x plus 4 minus 4x square as it is, plus 4x plus 4 as it is, plus 13x as it is. Okay, and here I will take 52 common, minus 52 common, so I will have x plus 4 Okay, so 52 into x is minus 52. 52 4s is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 5 to the 20. So 208 minus 208 will be balanced by plus 208. So plus 208 and minus 8. Sorry for this small handwriting. Okay, try and understand. Plus 208 for balancing minus 208 and minus 8 as it is. Okay, so I will have this all part as it is, x cube, x plus 4 minus 4x square, x plus 4 plus 13x, x plus 4 minus 52, x plus 4 and plus 200. Okay, minus 2 plus 208 minus it is plus 200. So we will take common x plus 4. We will take x plus 4 common. What is remaining inside? X cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52 plus 200. Okay, so this is a divisor. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is dividend. Okay, so there was no space over here, so it is dividend over here. Very clear? So this was the fifth one. Okay, again we have divisor as y minus 1 and dividend as y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1. Okay, so you write this dividend in terms of y minus 1. So to get y over here, I will take common as y square. So I will have y and this minus 1. Okay, we are writing this divisor. So y square into y cube, but y square into 1 is minus y square. To balance that minus y square, we will add plus y square. Minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1 as it is. So this can be written as y square y minus 1 minus 2y square plus 5y minus 1. Okay, this as it is. Now taking to get y, I will take minus 2y common. So we will have y minus 1 minus 2y into y minus 2y square minus 2y into 1 is plus 2y. Plus 2y will be balanced by minus 2y plus 5y minus 1 as it is. So y square y minus 1 minus 2y y minus 1 plus 3y minus 1. Okay, so y square y minus 1 minus 2y y minus 1. I will take minus 3 common. So y minus 1. So 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 3 1s are 3. Minus 3 will be balanced by plus 3 and minus 1 as it is. So we will take common. So y minus 1, if I am taking common, I have y square minus 2y plus 3 and minus there plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Therefore the quotient is y square minus 2y plus 3 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so we have completed all the sums of practice set 3.3 by linear division. Now we will do it by synthetic division. Okay, so we'll again start with the very first sum. Okay, so to start this sum, first you need to draw like this. Okay, and write this polynomial in the coefficient form. So coefficient form is 2 after x square m square m, that is minus 3 and plus 10 as it is. Okay, write like this. Then you are dividing by m minus 5. So write over here opposite of it, that is plus 5. Okay, so first two steps are writing in the coefficient form. Write the opposite of this. Minus 5 will be plus 5. And the very first step will be 2 as it is. Okay, now let's start. 5 2s are will be 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 sevens are 35 and 10 plus 35 is 45. And this last number will be your remainder. Okay, so this is the question in the coefficient form. So we will write it in the standard form. Question will be 7 plus, this is the last constant part. So 7 plus 2m. Okay, so you can write like this. You can start from last, that is x raised to 0, x raised to 1. I don't have many terms, but x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3, like that. Okay, so you can frame the proper polynomial also. So question over here is 2m plus 7. Coefficient form of 2m plus 7 is 2 and 7, right? Remainder is 45. You can check that this answer is identical to the answer you got with the linear division method. Okay. Okay, for the second one also, first of all, we will write it in the coefficient form. So x raised to 4 is means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, plus 2. So we will write minus 2 and this first will be as it is. Okay. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Okay. Minus 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 3s are 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 and this will be the remainder. So starting with x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3. So the quotient is 1x raised to 3 plus 0x square. We know if there is 0, don't write it. It is okay. Okay. So plus 3x minus 2. Okay. And the remainder is 9. Okay. You will check it with the linear division also. You will get the same answer. Okay, first of all, we will write this in the proper coefficient form, that is proper standard form, or whatever the missing variables are there. I will write that. So y cube plus 0y raised to 2 plus 0y raised to 1 minus 216, which is y raised to 0. कुछ नहीं मतलब y raised to 0. Okay. So to write this in the coefficient form will be 1, 0, 0, minus 216, and as it is minus 6, here I will write plus 6. Okay. So first one is as it is, 6 ones are 6, 6 as it is, 6 6 are 36, 36 as it is, 6 36, 6 are 216, so it is minus 216 plus 216 is 0. So x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2. So it will, quotient will be 1x raised to 2 plus 6x plus 36, and the remainder is 0. Okay. Okay, in the given question the variables were y, so the answer will be y square 6 pi. Okay, the rest everything is same. Okay, the fourth one is not in the standard form. First of all, I write it in the standard form, that is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 3. Then it will be minus 2x square plus 4x, and we don't have constant terms, so we will take it 0. Okay, divided by x plus 3. So we will write it in the coefficient form, that is 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and 0. As it is plus 3, I will use minus 3. This as it is 2. 3 2s are minus 6 plus 3 minus 6 minus 3. 3 3s are positive, minus minus plus 9. So we have 7. 7 3s are is minus 21. So it is minus 17. 17 3s are is 51 and 51. 0 plus 51. 51 as it is. So we'll write it in the index form. Okay, and this is just for your understanding. Therefore, the quotient is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus x raised to 0 is nothing but the constant term. 7 minus 17 and the remainder is 51. Okay. Okay, we'll write this polynomial in standard form and we'll write whatever terms are missing between them. So x raised to 4 plus 0x raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 2, then there is no x, so 0x minus 8 is divided by x plus 4. So we'll write it in the coefficient form. So it is 1, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 8 and plus 4 will be written as minus 4. Okay, first one is as it is. Minus 4 1 the minus 4, minus 4 as it is, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 3 is 13, 13 4s are is minus 52, minus 52 as it is, minus minus plus 52 4s are is 208, and when we will solve this we will get 200 as the remainder. Okay, so x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2 and x raised to 3. Therefore the quotient is 1x raised to 3 minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52 and the remainder is 200. Okay, so this was the fifth one. Okay, in the next one we will just directly write it in the coefficient form. That is the easier one. 1 minus 3 5 and minus 1 divided by minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Okay, 1 as it is. So 1 1s are 1, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, 1 2s are 2, so minus 2 as it was minus 10, 5 minus 2 it is 3, 1 3s are 3 and we have 2 over here. So y raised to 0, y raised to 1, y raised to 2, so 1, y raised to 2 minus 2, y raised to 1 plus 3 is your quotient and the remainder is, okay, so that was the easier one. Okay, so we have completed the practice set 3.3. The first part of this video was all about the linear division, and in the second part we have seen that we have done the synthetic division. Okay, please try to solve this. All this part will be helpful in your further standards as well. Okay, thank you.